China and the Philippines will bloom. It's like a flower that will bloom for something big.
I chose Kaifa as my company, aside from hearing a lot of good things from other people, produce employees who are competitive enough. Actually, my parents became so happy and proud.
Is one of the most biggest companies in the EMS industry. We want this technology to be done in the Philippines.
In 2014, we plan to expand in the Philippines. But during the time, relationship between China and Philippines are not so good. That's why we hold the project. We moved this project to Philippines in 2017 and started the operation in 2018.
Chinese companies were encouraged to come. Joint venture between China and Philippines, that it becomes a Philippine product.
It's my first time for me in Philippines. Everybody looks very kindly and help us.
Going in China, actually, I'm really excited, and I really expect a lot.
The relationship between the party has improved a lot. The past 2 years, we have been sending people to China to learn on the anti-corruption program of China, capacity building of China, the party building.
Filipinos and PDP Laban are welcome to visit China at the request and hosting of the IDCPC. A lot of things impressed me, and number one is the level of the technology available in China and made in China, especially high-speed train from Xiamen to Fuzhou. I was observing the water inside the glass was hardly moving.
After the visit of the president in 2016, there are a lot of Chinese companies that have visited the Philippines with a lot of proposals from in energy.
The Philippines provides big opportunities for Chinese companies and to invest in, and certainly we can benefit a lot.
Another good news is the gift of 2 bridges in Manila and Makati. Metro Manila, the center of the Philippines, is the most populated. Well, hopefully when the 2 bridges are finished, transportation will become better.
I feel that the Belt and Road Initiative of President Xi Jinping is the most exciting idea that has come about in the last maybe 50 years.
President Xi is very well known here.
One of my closest friends, actually. We have great expectations of the visit of the president, and we are happy and we are excited, as well as the Filipino people.
Here is a man who is a visionary, who wants to lead China to greater heights. So we should listen to his words of wisdom, his insights into governance, especially because this is the person whom I have heard myself personally say that his vision is for China to share its prosperity with the rest of the world.